So in my last video, I wasn't happy with how this came out, and when I showed my wife, she said she didn't think the slots were big enough, which stroked some genius. So after hammering it out of the pot, I did a setup on the mill and basically cut deep grooves with a larger mill head and continue the same operation. We rotated 6 degrees, but this time I had to rotate it and cut the other side too to create the 30-degree gap I was going for. I am absolutely thrilled with how this came out this time, and if you can guess, this is modeled after a San Pedro cactus, and I'm planning on making a few other types of cactuses in the future. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys, and yeah, I'm happy with how this came out this time. And thanks to my wife for her stroke of genius.